Hello, welcome back, friends. Now I have come up. Now I have come up with new question on based on the MOSFET. So let's see the question. In the question, it is asked that what type of device means for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which type of device is this? Okay. And second part, determine the region of operation, that is cutoff, triode, or saturation region. It means depends upon the supply voltage provided to the terminals. We have to find out cutoff, triode, and saturation region of this respective MOSFET. Okay. In additional information, there is a given that mod Vt is equal to 1.2. It means if device is NMOS, then Vt is equal to 1.2 volt, and if the device is PMOS, then Vt is equal to minus 1.2 volt. So let's go to the solution part. For in question 1, the symbol represents the direction of arrow is outward. The direction of arrow outwards means it is source terminal as well as NMOS device. The arrow is connected to which of the terminal? That is known as source terminal. Okay, so counterpart will become the drain terminal, and we know that from this side, this separation side is represented by gate terminal. Okay, so from the circuit diagram or symbol diagram, we can see that Vd is equal to 2 volt, Vs is equal to 1 volt, Vg is equal to 3 volt, and from the previous slide we know that it is NMOS, hence Vt is equal to 1.2 volt. Now we have to evaluate some parameters so that we can find out in which region this NMOS device is operating. Okay, so VGS is equal to what? Vg minus Vs. What is Vg? Vg is equal to 3 volt, Vs is equal to 1 volt. So 3 minus 1 is 2 volt. Now we will calculate another term, that is called VOV. VOV means V over drive. What is V over drive? VGS minus this threshold voltage Vt is called V over drive or overdrive voltage. So VGS is equal to 2 volt as we evaluated, and Vt is equal to 1.2 volt from the question, that is 0.8 volt. Now we will calculate VDS. What is VDS? Vd minus Vs. Vd is equal to 2 volt, Vd is equal to 2 volt, and Vs is equal to 1 volt, that is 1 volt. Now we will check whether VGS is greater than Vt or less than Vt or equal to Vt. So VGS is 2 volt and Vt is equal to 1.2 volt. It means that device is on. Whatever the minimum voltage required to turn on this device, it is more than that. Okay, it required 1.2 volt at least, but it is more than 1.2, that is 2 volt. So device is on. Now we will further check it is triode or saturation. For triode and saturation, we have to compare between VDS and V overdrive. What is V overdrive? VGS minus Vt. So VDS is equal to what? 1 volt, and V overdrive is equal to what? 0.8 volt. So we can see that it 1 is greater than 0.8. It means that NMOS device is in saturation region. Okay, come to the next part. In the circuit, first we have to observe which one is the source terminal. Where is the arrow at this terminal? It means this is the source terminal. What is the direction of arrow? Arrow is inward or outward to the device? It is inward to the device. Inward to the device means this device is PMOS. Okay, so source terminal is this one, so counterpart will be drain, and this one we already know it is a gate, known as, for the MOSFET device it is gate. So Vd is equal to minus 2 volt, Vg is equal to also minus 2 volt, Vs is equal to minus 1.5 volt. Vs is equal to minus 1.5 volt. So Vt, and we know that for PMOS Vt is equal to minus 1.2 volt, which is given in the question. Now we will evaluate VSG. Since it is PMOS, we will not evaluate VGS, we will evaluate VSG. What is VSG? VSG is Vs minus Vg. Vs is equal to minus 1.5 and Vg is equal to minus 2. So minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 minus 1.5, 0.5 volt. Now we will evaluate V overdrive. What is V overdrive? VSG, little change, not VGS. VSG minus mod of Vt. Earlier we have defined VOV for NMOS, VGS minus Vt, but for PMOS, V overdrive is equal to VSG minus Vt with mod sign. So 0.5 VSG 0.5 minus mod of Vt is equal to what? 1.2, that is minus 0.7 volt. So we can see that overdrive voltage, the magnitude wise, is 0.7. okay, 0.7 overdrive means it is positive. Positive means device is off. Sorry, we cannot say that. V overdrive is minus, so device is off. Hence we we calculate also VST for the sake of completeness, just because the question is completed here, because VSG is less than mod of Vt, because when VSG is less than mod Vt means whatever the potential is required to turn on this device is less than that threshold voltage, hence the device is in cutoff region. But we will evaluate this VSD. Why? But just for the sake of completeness, and VSD is equal to Vs minus Vd. What is Vs? Vs is equal to minus 1.5 and Vd is equal to minus bracket minus of 2 volt. What is the minus 2 volt? It is Vd. okay, then 0.5. we have evaluated already evaluated that VSG is less than mod of Vt, hence this device is cutoff region. Then we can conclude that PMOS operates in cutoff region. Come to the next question, that is 3. From the symbol we can see that arrow belongs to source terminal, opposite terminal is drain, and this terminal is gate. okay, and from where the arrow is connected, we have to see the direction of arrow. Since the direction of arrow is inward, it means this device is PMOS. okay, and drain terminal voltage is 2 volt, gate terminal 3 volt, substrate, your source terminal is 4.5 volt. From the given data, Vt is equal to minus 1.2 volt. Why minus? Because this device is PMOS. okay, now VSG Vs minus Vg, that is 4.5 minus 3, 1.5 volt. V overdrive VSG minus Vt, 1.5 minus 1.2, 0.3 volt. VSD is equal to VSD is equal to Vs minus Vd. Vs is equal to 4.5, Vd is equal to 2. 4.5 minus 2 is equal to 2.5. Now we will check the condition. First, device is on or off. VSG is greater than Vt. VSG 1.5 and Vt, mod of Vt, since it is PMOS, so we will check with mod Vt. Mod Vt is equal to 1.2. So 1.5 is greater than 1.2. It means device is on. Now check for the triode and saturation region. VSD is greater than VOB or not. VSD's value is 2.5 and V overdrive is 0.3. So it is clear that 2.5 is greater than 0.3. Hence this device is in saturation region. So we can conclude that PMOS operates in saturation region. Okay. Now come to the next and last question. In this, generally we have observed that this arrow sign is downward, but it is not necessary. It can flipped. Okay, so here the arrow sign belongs to the source terminal. Now the source terminal is upside, and counterpart, the downward terminal is drain, and this terminal is G. From looking the potential applied to these source, drain and gate, Vd is equal to 2.5, Vg is equal to minus 2, and Vs is equal to minus 3.3. Since this arrow direction is outward, it means this device is NMOS, and for NMOS the threshold voltage is 1.2 positive. Okay, now we will calculate again VGS. For NMOS, VGS, VG minus VS is equal to 2 negative and negative of minus 3.3, so hence positive 1.3 volt. For overdrive voltage, VGS minus VT. What is VGS? 1.3. VT is equal to 1.2, 0.1 volt. Since we can see that VGS is greater than VT, it means 1.3 is greater than 0.1, device is on. Another way to conclude this device is on or off, just see the VOV. VOV is positive or negative. If it is positive for this NMOS, if it is positive, device is on. Okay, now come to the drain to source voltage VDS. VD minus VS. VD is equal to minus 2.5 and VS is equal to minus of minus 3.3 volt. Okay, so this minus minus become plus. 3.3 minus 2.5, that is 0.8 volt. Now check the condition whether it is triode or saturation. So VDS is compared with VOV. VDS is equal to 0.8 and VOV is equal to 0.1. So we can clearly see that VDS is greater than VOV, that is 0.8 is greater than 0.1. It means this device is in saturation region. I missed here this N. Okay, hence NMOS operate in saturation region. Thank you.